Okay. Sorry for the disconnecting the stream. I guess there was a network issue. So welcome back. So like I was designing the add-on page. So let's start designing it. Okay. So where I have styled the heading tag. Okay. Now like add-on's name. Now this I'm going to style the description on this add-ons. So first what I will do here, I will use text sm and then text color is light gray. Now if I go to my browser, you can see it's looking like this. I guess it's looking fine like this. Okay, and also let's design this price as well. So I think there's plus symbol before the dollar. Right now I think I can give the same class name to both of the span. So here I will write class name. Okay, first we need to change the color and make it bold. So I will write font bold. Okay, then let's change the color to text. Let's see which color we can give. I think we can give as purplish blue. Let's try the purplish blue, and if it will not work, then we will try the pastel blue. Okay, so now first try purplish blue. Let's see how it will look, and I guess I think it's looking fine. We don't need to change it to purplish. Sorry, any other color. Okay, so I guess it's done. Hmm. Okay, let's make it as text SM. Yeah. So we need to give one more change to one more change. Now if you see here, if the online services or larger storage is selected, then we need to change the border color as well as the background color of this option. Okay, and also if I go to the active state, okay, on hover, I think on hover we need to give the only the change the border color. Okay, so let's go to the add-ons. Okay, so I will go to the where um, on the container day, and here I will write over border. Here I will write over. There should not be a space border, and let's give the border color. I think this time I can give as pastel blue. Okay, so different color. So come here and paste this pastel blue, and now let's go to the other, and let's see if I hover it, you can see the border color is changing. Okay, if you notice carefully, you can see the border color is changing to pastel blue. Okay, okay, we can increase the width so that you can notice. So now if I hover it like okay, and also we need to make it cursor as pointer. So you can write here cursor pointer. Okay, let's save it. And now if I go, you can see I have the cursor pointer. Now let's say if I select option, okay, if I select the option like if it is checked, then also we need to change the background color of it. So here I will write like data checked, okay, like this, and then if data is checked, then we need to change the background color. And I think which background color we can give. Let's see. If I go to index.css, let's use the light blue. I will copy this, and here I will use light blue. The getting applied? No, I don't think so. Instead of data checked, let's say if I use checked only. I don't think so it's getting applied. Now let's use any dark color code so that I get to know like whether the property is getting applied or not. So here I will load red as 300. Let's use the data checked. Data checked. Okay. Also, I don't think so. Okay. I got it. Why it's not getting applied? Because data check will only work on the uh, it will only work on the input type. Okay, because this is not an input type, this is a div, so it don't know whether this div has is checked or not. Okay, so for that, what we can do here? Okay, let's say how we can like which add-on is currently selected. Okay, so for that case, let's say if I select this add-on, so I need to add on this add-ons to the my what you can say in any array. Okay, we need to put that in a like we need to define one state to like handle the select add-ons. Okay, so for that, what I will do, I will go to my app.js page. Okay, here and here I will select const selected add-ons. Okay, and here I will write set selected add-ons, and it will be a use state. Okay, so I will define the type later. Now it will be an empty array for as of now, but once I select any add-on, what I want to do, like once I select like this add-on align sources, so I will push that entire object to this add-ons. Okay, so that later if I want to use it, we can use it. Okay, so the type of this, it will be add-ons interface, which will import from the interface page, and it will type of an array. Okay, or it can be a empty array initially. Okay, yeah, I imported from the okay, so component array. Okay, I think both the name and the like interface name is same, so that's why it's conflicting here. So we need to change the I think it was okay. We can change the component name. Yes. So instead of add-ons, only well, give it add-ons step. Okay, so and we can import it from add-ons step. Here also we can add a step. Okay, but it will find this add-ons step. So we need to first here you can say add-ons component elements. First I need to rename it to add-ons step. Okay, and after that I need to open my add-ons page. Okay, here you can say created of add-ons. So I need to rename it to add-ons step, not step. I think add-ons step, and here also define add-ons step. Okay, so now you can see the error has gone. Okay, so what is the error? Set current step is 0, but never wait. Okay, cannot find the set props. It's not a set props. So should be the add-ons props. Okay, now if I go to the app.tss, I don't think so. There should be error from this step. Okay, there's showing one error from this add-on step, like cannot find the model or its corresponding. So I think I need to reload our VS Code editor. Then I think it won't give me error. So let's reload our window. So like so now if you like my stream or if you have any query, you can comment me. Okay, I will try to resolve your query. But if you are like my stream, so don't forget to like it also. Uh, like this stream. And if you are new to my channel, so please feel free to subscribe it also. Okay. I need to reach 500 subscribers soon. So help me to reach there. Thank you. So now let's see. Okay, I have modified and you can see the error also has been gone. So if I don't have any add-ons, again I am getting a error. What is add-ons? Only refers to a type, but it is being used as a value here. Where I have used as a value add-ons interface, and I am defining the type of this add-ons. Like, okay, I don't think so. It should look like this. Only a single item. So I think it's done. Okay, add-on. Either it will be an add-ons of array or it will be an empty array. Okay, selected add-on. So what I need to do, I need to pass this selected add-ons and set selected add-ons to the add-ons step. Okay. So first I will copy this selected add-ons. Control C to go to add-ons step. Okay, paste it here. Now when it was set selected add-ons is equal to set selected add-ons. Now I will go to my add-ons step component. Okay, and here I will paste set add-ons option. So it will be here the value will also be add-ons, which I will import it from the interface of array, or that will be an empty array. So that will set, this will be selected add-ons only. Here I will paste set selected add-ons, and type it will take like add-ons, and the type of this add-ons will be this one. Control C and Control V. Okay, and the return type of this step will be void. Save it. Now copy this selected add-ons. I will paste it here. Yeah, copy this set selected add-on and I will paste it here. This is done. So now what I will do, I will cut the all the class name from here. Okay, remove this string. Now I will create a template literals and I will paste all the class name inside it. And now I will write some conditional condition here. I will write if add-ons or selected add-ons. In the selected add-ons, okay. So let's see how I can use it. I think I can create a one variable here. Let's see how do we. I need to write entire logic here, then only we can go. Let's see who can write. No worries. So here we'll write add-ons, like sorry, not add-ons. Selected add-ons, like selected add-ons will be a like array of add-ons. Okay. So here I will write selected add-ons dot filter. Okay, so it will give me the add-on services. So here I will write if selected add-ons. So here I will write if add-on dot, let's see if I give the item. So here I will write item dot name is equal to or we can give class find index, but let's say the includes. No, I think find index will work better. So selected add-ons that find index will give the item, and I will check if item dot name is equal to add-on dot name. Okay. So now what it will do? It will search for the add-on. Like my current add-on is name is add-on.name. So it will search this name inside this selected option. If it is there, then it will give me the index. So here only I will check if it is okay. If it is not equal to -1, that means like the add-on is inside that array, and else we write some condition. So if add-ons is there, so I will write bg. Okay, so I think bg light blue. I can use the color name as okay, and I need to handle this set selected add-ons property. So once I click on this input, so here on here I think on checked, that should be a property on change capture. Let's see. I can use the like select the option from the set scene library so that I can handle it properly. So what I will do, I will go to the official site of set scene. It's the ui.setScene.com. Okay, so I will go here, and here I will search for input type check. So input, or I think there should be a component regarding checkbox. Yeah, here's the checkbox. Come here. Okay, so I will import it. So I'll copy this import command. Come here, open my terminal. Okay, create a new terminal. Okay, and here I will paste it. Mm, Just wait until it get installed. Okay, meanwhile, let's check it how we can use this checkbox. So we can import this checkbox and use it like this. And let's open this code. Let's say how we can handle the value of this checkbox. Label P, you go to terms and condition checkbox. It's not something I can handle form. Okay, let's say inside that form. So here he created one checkbox. Okay, so now if I go down, you can say checkbox unchecked. It will show the field dot value. Okay, so where it created a field, I think inside that field, it will have the boolean value. It has a field dot value and then on check change. Okay, we can use this like event to handle this change property. Okay, so it's installed. So instead of like this thing, we can use checkbox. Okay, just I think checkbox is the yes checkbox, and it should be imported from ./ui. Okay, no, I don't think so. It will any error. Let's go there. Stephen King. Let's fill that for next step. Or you can say I have the checkbox, but yes, it's working. Also working. Okay, now what I need to do? Checkbox. So here I need to use something. Okay. So okay, so I have one more suggestion to handle it properly so that I should not give an error. What I will do, I will create a new component here. Here I will write add-on service. Okay, .tsx. Okay, so let's create it. So rafe Okay, so what it will do, now let's go to advanced step. So first I will cut all this div, okay, from here, just like this, and I will paste it here, okay, and it will accept that add-ons as a props. Okay, so here let's remove this import statement, and here I will create interface add-on service props, okay, and it will take add-on. So the type of this it will be add-ons, which I will import from interfaces. Okay, so now let's destructure it from here, add-on service props. From here I will get add-on, let's import it, and also it needs the selected option. Okay, so let's pass it. So let's say selected, so selected add-ons. Okay, so selected add-ons like this. So it will be a, the value will be like add-ons of array. Either it can be a empty array also as well. And let's destructure it from here. Okay, so now I think now let's import this checkbox in this component only. So I have imported this checkbox. Now I will go to add-ons step. Okay, so instead of like creating all the components here only, we can import it add-on service. Okay, and we can pass the required properties. So first I need to give the key. So key will be add-on.name. Okay, and then we need to pass add-on itself. Okay, and also we need to pass selected add-ons option. Selected add-ons. So it's done. And okay, we have not used the set selected option, so we need to pass the set selected add-ons option also as well. So I will pass it. Okay, like this. I will go to add-ons. Okay, now what I will do, I will copy this interface type. Okay, and I will paste it here, and I will copy this one, and I will paste it here. Okay, so we don't need this checkbox. Use it here. Okay, so, and also it need the easily plan, because I think if I go to the add-ons, I think it's using that easily plan. Okay, so what I will do first, I will copy this type, interface type, and I'll go to add-on, and I will paste here below this add-on. Okay, now I will import it, the destructure it here from here, easily plan, and I need to pass that easily plan to this component like this. Okay, so it's done. I think there should not be any error. Set current step, like which I can use on this page only in this component, and I think everything is should be work fine. Everything. So let's go to the add-on services. Now let's fill every form. Okay, email address is this, phone number, and next step. Okay, let's select any plan. Go to next step. Okay, so I'm at next, and there is no error. Now here what I want. Okay, here we can define like which is my correct selected because I have that selected add-on. Okay, so and here I can create one variable like is add-on selected. Okay, and what it will do, it will do the selected add-ons. Okay, right here, and it will do the same thing like find index. Okay, each add-on selected, it will only give me the either true or false value. So here I will do the, like I can use the same thing, like I can copy this thing, Control C, I can paste it here. Okay, and I will use is add-on selected, so it will if I get any index like the index is not -1, that means it's selected, and if the value like this like find index is returning me as -1, that means it will return me as a park value. Okay, now I will copy this each add-on selected, and instead of using this money logic here, I can use only this is add-on selected. Okay, now we need to handle this checkbox option also. Okay, so here on value I can pass each add-on selected. Okay, so now by boolean is not as unable to type string number and read only. Which type of value? I think it's not a value. I think it's a checked. So instead of value, let's use the checked property. Okay, and also I need to use on check change. Okay, so on check change. So here I will use handle and to create one function handle check the change. Okay, handle check change, and also I think it should take some name, or we don't need to define the name. Okay, or what we can do, we can create a arrow function here. Okay, on handle check change, and we can pass the like add on as a argument here. Let's define that function. So here I will create a function. Let's say const handle check change. It will take a add on like this add on, and the type will be add on itself. Okay, and it will be a arrow function, and once it checked any error, so it will do the set selected add-ons, and it will like what it will do. I think inside that it will take. Okay, so first I need to search the selected add-ons. Okay, and then I will post my add-on. Okay, but the case is there now. If it's already, okay, let's say it's in the error. No consecutive type of add-on is followed. And there is some error. Say what is this expression is not callable. No constituent is callable. Let's say or I have created one set selected add-ons variable. Okay, so it will have all the add-ons. Okay, right, it will give me some. Okay, so let's say how we can handle it properly. Okay, let's say I have the selected add-ons. Okay, it should be an array. If I select the first add-ons, so it will just push the first add-ons into that array. If I select the second add-on, it should. But if I deselect it, then at that case, I need to remove from that array. Okay, so say what does the set selected add-on will do? My bad. Should not take the array of, like, instead of it should take only add-ons. My bad. This no mistake was there. It should be not accept any array. Instead of it should accept yeah, system sorry about that. It should not have the error, I guess, right now. Let's say if the error persists or not. Okay, let's wait until our like VS Code is loaded fully. So it's running the TypeScript. Let's wait. Okay, now again I'm getting some error. It's saying that expression is not callable, no consider type add-on software is callable. Selected add-ons, yeah, the value of this it will be either it will be a empty array or it will take the add-ons as an array. Okay, array of add-ons, and this selected add-ons, what it will do, it should take the add-ons and then it will post it on the. Okay, let's see. I should have a, let's say, step. No, I do not have one. Under the property. Okay, so I think it's giving some error. We can use some any other photo, but I want to handle that. That's also like if mm, if, if I use this like this, then the other thing tab.tsx. Okay, like this, I have defined the set here. If I define it like this, if I go to add-on service, okay, it's also giving some error. It's why telling that no constant type of this is callable. Okay, let's try to handle it in a different way. Okay. So let's say what else I can do here. So if you notice, currently I have back again process. Let's say here I have the three services: online services, larger storage, and customizable profile. Okay. So what I can do, I can give the selected add-ons as like this. Okay, let's say I will have, let's say this. Let me say how I want to achieve it. Okay, let's say I want to define one object. Okay, so inside that object, let's say I have like the name of the like services, like online services as a key. So write online like this, online services. Okay, and the type of this online services will be a boolean value, like it will do like whether it's selected or not. So based on the true false, it will say like I will select create the online services, then larger underscore storage. Okay, the type will be also boolean and customizable. Okay, customizable profile. Okay, the type will be also a boolean. Okay, now what it will do, like if I select the online services, then I will make this the value will be true. Okay, so in this case I will get to know like if align services is selected or not. And if I deselect this value, then it will make it as false. Because in this way, we will get to know like whether the align service is true or false. Okay. So what I will do for this case, I will go to my interfaces first. Okay, and here I will create like export, if not const interface. Okay, and here I will selected. Okay, selected add-ons type, selected add-ons type, and what should be the value? Like I will write like this will be this will have three value. Okay, let's say align services. Okay, and type will be boolean. Let's copy paste two times. Okay, let's change this one by one. Then our larger storage, copy this larger storage and paste it here. Then we will have the customizable profile. Control C, paste it. Okay, so it's done. Okay, so now what I will do, I will go to my app. Okay, and here select selected add-ons. So I will change the type. Okay, and the value itself. So type will be, I think, the interface which I have created. Like let's say selected add-ons type, which I will import from the interface. Okay, file like this, and here I will define first like the what is the type online service. For if I write online, like it will put me the success JSON. So by initial value, I will give it as false. Let's for larger storage also initial value will be false, and then the customizable profile initial value will be false. And now you don't see any error here, but we are passing this selected add-ons to the let's say add-ons step. So I will go here. So here again there will be type mismatch. So what I will do, yeah, not here I will import this selected add-ons type. It will be imported from this interface. Okay, and also this will also take the selected add-ons type. Okay, we don't need this add-ons type, can remove it. Okay, so selected add-ons type, parameter name, parameter has a name, no type. Okay, yes. Here I will write selected add-on. Okay, and then type will be selected add-ons type, so like this. Okay, so now I have defined it up. Now again we will have some type mismatch on the add-on services component. So I will copy it, go to the add-on services component, and I will replace it like this. Now let's see how we can handle it. So first I will do like this. Okay, we need to import it selected add-ons type here also. Okay, I get it imported. We don't need this add-ons type. Okay, we need it. I think we need it. Okay, let's see how we can do it. Okay, so on handle change or on checked change. Okay, so I think it should give me some value itself, like whether it's checked or not. Okay, so is add-on selected? I think this will have some different kind of methodologic now add-ons, it will have, like if you hover on this add-on, so it will, let's say, selected add-ons. Okay, so now I will show you. If I go to the interface, now it will have the three objects. Okay, so based on the object we need to perform. So here I need to show like whether my add-on is selected or not. Okay, so here I will do is add-on selected is equal to, here I will do selected add-on of add-on dot name. Okay, so what, I think it will not have the same. Okay, instead of it, what I can do here, I can give add-on, so that I will be as a string. Let's remove it. Okay, now I will go to my app. Okay, so here I need to give the same name as add-on. So I will go to not the interface, I will go to constant. Okay, so here I have the add-on name, online services. So I will copy it, online services, control C. Instead of online services like this, I will do online service. Then larger storage, I will also copy it, will paste here, and then customize your profile. Customize your profile. I think there won't be any error. Okay, we are not using add-ons here right now, so you can remove it. No, I don't think so any error here. So here I can remove this. Okay, now let's see. Now if I go to my add-ons step, yeah, set current step is not taken, but everything is fine. Now let's go to all add-on services. Here I don't think so any error. Okay, let's remove it for as of now. Okay, now let's see. Is selected add-ons. So now we have selected add-ons. So it's selected add-ons. What it will do? Selected add-ons of add-on name. Okay, and if I pass this add-on on, it will give the whether a true or false value. Okay, or what we can do, we don't need to create it. You can copy it. You can paste it here, and we can remove it. Okay. Okay. Now we need to handle the case. Okay. So now we do need it. Okay. Yes. I think we can use it for checkbox also. Now let's say checkbox, what it will give me some value. Like let's say give me some check value or not. So check, I'll pass this check here like this. So let's say it will take it off. Check. Let's say what will we type? Let's go to the checkbox. Let's go to API reference. Check. It will have the boolean value. Boolean intermediate. Okay. Let's copy it. Okay. Let's paste it here. Boolean Boolean are entered. Yes, and inside that, just console.log check check whether it's checked or not. Okay, let's see. Now if I go to my browser, there is no error. Let's open the inspect section. Okay, so here I write Stephen King. Okay, address is Stephen King address Laura. Next step, select any of them. Next step. Now let's see if I select this online services, then I guess check this true. If I deselect it, okay, I will get check this true again. Yes, check is true. Value is only true here, but it should be false now. If I deselect it, recheck it. Okay. Okay, let's see. Yeah, I get the check is true. So here what I need to do, I will get the add-on. Here I will do sets. Let's say set selected add-ons. Okay, and what it will do, that it will have the like the previous add-on, selected add-ons, and it will do like uh, add-on dot name. Okay, and the value will be check, or let's say check. Okay, I think intermediate we can take only the boolean. Okay, now the error has been gone. Now let's see. Let's clear it. If I select on selected, if I deselect, okay, you can see the background color. Everything is changing. If I select it also, you can see background color and everything is getting changed. Okay, so I think it's working fine. Okay, well, we just need to change the like this text color. I think it's not visible while it's selected, or we can use some different color, background color for this tip. Instead of light blue, let's think about some different color. Let's say S will be, let's say it's check that check. What is this here? Yeah, this check is defined argument that I was string boolean, not to type of boolean. Okay, I will write later. Where it's not first, let's change the basic color as the one which I have copied. Okay, so now let's deselect it. Yeah, I guess it's working now. Okay, I need to select on the checkbox. Yeah, I guess it's fine. Description instead of white gray, give it as cool gray. Okay, now it's working fine. We just need to fix that issue. Okay, it's checked. So I think it's taking intermediate also as well. So, okay, let's go to the third scene. I think it's taking intermediate. The checked value. I will paste it here. Now I will go to the not here interfaces. Okay, here I define the value is boolean. Let's mention that it should be a interface intermediate as well. So now if I go to the add-on service, I think I don't see any error on this like component, and I guess everything is fine. Okay, and also it will work. Okay, so now if I select Stephen King, okay, the email address and then phone number, select next step. Okay, let me fix this issue one thing also. Let's go to the personal info. Okay, so here I have cap as 2, let it be. Let's make it 3, and bottom you can say I have one bottom. So here I can give the class name as, let's say, empty 0. If I go to empty 0, you can see the button coming down. Let's see. Let's go to the like select plant component. See how I define that button. Okay, so empty auto. Okay, instead of 0, it should be empty auto. So empty auto. I have come. Okay, should come the button to the bottom, but it's not coming. Like form. Let's invite this form also. Form. Invite this form. Okay, I think the button is inside that form. That's why it's not. This table is also inside this form. Okay? So I will use empty for max call and gap 3. The same property, like you can say, let's minimize this. So here's the container div. So let's see if there is some border red. Let's see. Yes, at the bottom only. Okay. And guess it's fine. Okay. Now let's see some of this border. Okay, so now let's go to the next step. Select a plan on here monthly basis. So I'm at the add-on space. If I select any add-on, okay, now you can see we just need to change the color. Okay, while selecting, you can see it has the like different background color. Let's say how we can handle it. Let's go to the add-on service. Here I have the checkbox. Now let's say what any other properties taken. The child default check teachable name, data state. Okay, okay, I need to change the background color. Okay, okay, let's say so I will if I go to the checkbox. Okay, so here you can see there should be a BG. There should alt check. Okay, frame border primary. Okay, let it be frame offset background. Okay, BG primary state set 10 BG primary instead of BG primary it should be marine blue. Okay, let's say it. And now if I come to here, now you can see it's a marine blue instead of black. It's a marine blue or okay, it's different color. Now let's see, let's go to the Mr. CSS. Instead of marine blue, let's use the like this color, purplish blue. So where is marine blue? Instead of marine blue, I want to use it as purplish blue, and you can see it's purplish blue. And also I need to change the border color as well. So border primary. Okay, so you can see it's primary. Instead of primary, it should be the purplish blue. Now you can see it's okay. It's looking fine according to the design. Like, and now we need to create the next step and go back button as well. Okay, so now I will go to the select plan. Okay, and I will copy this div from here. Now I'll go to the add-on service. Okay, now I think where I can use it. Okay, okay, we can't use it on add-on services. We can use it on add-on step. Okay, so let's see where we can use it. Below this step, I think we can use it like this. We need to import that button as well. So let's say import it from UI. Okay, we don't need it on click. We can define it later. Okay, just one more thing which we need to do. Let's go to the select plan component, and here also we need to use this class name. Okay, Control C. Yeah, I guess it's done. Okay, and one more thing, I think I have applied the set current step to your endpoint. Instead of your endpoint, it should be, let's go to the constant. Okay, so if I am on the add-on space, then it should move to the select plan page. So I will copy this select plan and I will paste it here. Okay, sorry. So now let's see. Let's test it every scenario. So now if I select Stephen King, okay, and Stephen and form, if I click on next step, okay, now let's select the plan. So here you can see I have done Instagram previous step button also. If I select and go back, you can see I am redirect to the select plan, and if I select next step, then I am redirect to the error space. Okay, now here we don't need to implement any kind of validation, because I think it should be optional. User, if you user want to select any add-on, then only you can select. And if you want to select this online service, you can select this online services. Otherwise, you can like leave it blank, and you can also click on the next step. Okay, on this page I don't think so there should be any kind of validation. Okay, now let's write the logic, like what should we happen. We click on this next step. So here I will write on click, since we are not using any kind of validation, so we can write here as well. So here we will write set current step. Okay, now this time the current step should be summary. Okay, so I will paste summary as a value. So it will redirect me to the summary page. Okay, so now let's see if there any error. No, there is no error. So now what I want to do, one more thing, I want to sort my import. Okay, I think it's sorted. So let's close this add-on step. Okay, here also we want to sort my import and then close it. Okay, on the select plan also we want to sort. I want to sort my import. So right click, source section, sort import. Okay, let's close it. The source section, sort import. Close it. We need to modify here. Let it be personal info. Okay, we are not using user info, so we can remove it. Any other thing, any other error on this page? I think no, there is no error. So I will right click on it. On this page, source section, sort import. Okay, so it will sort the import, and okay, there is one or there's two error. We need to import this user import interface. Then why is this error? Sort import. Yes, I think no, this time there is no error. Okay, now we can close this personal info. Let's move to the interface. We are not importing anything here, and let it be open. And here only we need a step on the sidebar. So like there is only one import second, we don't need to start it here. We can cut it. Now let's go to the app. Okay, here we are importing multiple things. Here we need to the start, the source section, start import. Understand? Now let's create a summary component as well. Okay, so let's go to the summary. Okay, so here's summary props is here. Now let's open the, let's say, the add-on step. Okay, add-on step component. Okay, so first what I will do, I will copy this class name of this step. Okay, now go to the summary component. Here I will paste it. Okay, now let's remove it. Now let's first see the UI for it. Okay, finishing up and double check. Okay, so let's see. So let's go to the add-on step. Copy this h1 and p tag. Paste it here. Just change the content inside it. So instead of pickup add-ons, it should say finishing up. Okay, then double check everything. This paragraph should say DOUP. Double check everything. Okay, looks okay before. Double check everything. Looks okay. Looks okay before confirm. Okay, return. Now let's say if I go to the next step. Okay, and also when it is confirm and go back button also. So now go to the add-on step. Okay, we don't need to do create this step. Instead of we will create a different div, but we can copy this step as well. Control C. Okay, so if I copy, like, so below this paragraph, I think just below this paragraph I can paste it. So we need to import that button, and I think there should not be any error. Now if I go here, now let's click on this next step without filling the form. So it should take me to the finishing up, and now you can see I have the finishing up. Double check everything looks okay before confirming. Go back and next step. But if I click on go back, okay, it's redirected to my select plan, but should not redirect to my select plan. Let's open the constant component also. Like if I am at the summary page, it should redirect me to the advanced page. Okay, so here I'm clicking go back, it should redirect to the advanced page. Okay. Now if I click on next step, it should take me to the where, where it should take me. It should take me to the thank you page. Yes. So let's say thank you page. Okay, and thank you page is not designed yet. Now if I go to my app.css, I think if nothing is left, then only it should take me to the thank you page, and also we need to add one more changes, but we can handle it later. Okay, I will tell you what changes am I talking about. Now if I click on next step, it will take me to the big add-ons page. Now if I click on next step, then it will take me to the summary. If I then now if I click on go back, it will take me to the add-ons, then the summary. Now let's design the summary page. So on summary page, we need to create this kind of interface: carpet, monthly, online services, and then the total per month. And this will also depend on the whether I selected a per month or yearly plan. Okay, so currently I am selected I think per month plan also. Okay, so now let's define it. Okay, so first it will show me the selected plan, like what plan I have selected, whether it's arcade or okay, advanced or pro. So let's see how we can get it here on the summary page. So if I go to my add.css, if you come, you can see I have a selected plan. So like this selected plan will tell me like which one currently I have selected. Okay, so like it will store the string like name of the plan. So I can pass this selected plan as a props to the summary component. Let's pass it. Okay, and now it will like I have defined the plans in the like constant variable, so it would can extract it from here, and like whether we have created arcade plan, so it will extract the value from here, so based on the plan name. Okay, so now I can get like plan name, and now is monthly or yearly we need to also get to know. So here I will also pass this is yearly plan props to the component, so that I can get to know like whether they selected a monthly plan or yearly plan, and based on the like monthly analysis, or we can show the like, price. And also we need to pass that add-ons, selected add-ons. Okay, so I copy the selected add-ons, I will paste here. Okay, now let's see, is anything more? No, I don't think so there is more required thing. This is done. So now let's go to the summary. Okay, here I have created this good, so like interface for this component. So let's pass it to selected plan. Now let's see the what is the type of selected plan. So type is string. So I will paste string here. Now let's say it's also talking is yearly plan. So copy it, yearly plan. I think the type is boolean. Yes, boolean. Okay, then it needed a selected add-ons. Selected add-ons. Select it. Now let's copy the type of the selected add-on. Paste it here. We need to import that type. So we can import it from the interface. You can see it's imported. You can now extract the every props. Okay, so let's see. Selected plan is yearly plan. Okay, and then the selected add-on. Okay, so it's done. Now below this p tag, okay, I will create another div. Okay, so inside this div, okay, first I need to show the like which plan is currently I have selected. Okay, so for that, let's say this div. Okay, this div, I think it will take two more div. So let's say div into two. Okay, inside this first div, okay, I think it will take one like one h4 tag, then one spam tag or paragraph tag, and then the amount. Okay, so I think inside this div also we can create two different div. Okay, so here I can create h4. Okay, so now this time it will show the plan name, which plan I have selected. So here I have the selected add-on or selected plan, so I can show the selected plan. Okay, and in the bracket I need to say whether it's a monthly or yearly. Okay, that's it. It's monthly or yearly. So here I need to write one logic. If is yearly plan, if it's true, then I will do yearly. Otherwise, I will show monthly. Okay, got it. So now if I come here, let's say Stephen King. Okay, Stephen King at lauren.com. Then I will fill up. Go to the next step. Like let's say this time I will select a monthly plan and the arcade mode, arcade plan. So I will go to the next step. Okay. Now let's say I will select customize your profile data and larger storage. I will next step. Now you can say I got arcade and monthly plan. Okay. So now let's the class name is empty hyphen 4. So that it should have some gap on the top. Okay. I guess I think let it give it a little bit more. Instead of 4, it should 6 and then p hyphen 4. And we need to change the background color. Let's say PG. And which color I can use? Let's say this color I will select. You can paste it here. Yeah, I guess this is the code. And I need to change the background color text color also. So here I will put the class name as text bold and text marine blue. It's not getting applied the font bold and text marine blue. Yeah, I will get applied. So it's done. Okay, so now below this I will have one spam tag. Let's create a spam tag. Spam tag that should say change plan, or instead of change plan it should only say the plan. So let's say let's get a smart tag and it will only say the change. Yeah, and let's get the leading none. Yeah, okay, so let's go to the, so once it's not off, okay, the color is in gray. Okay, and also have the, so let's give the text cool gray. Okay, now let's see how we can get the underline. So for that I will go to the Tailwind CSS. Here you can search for underline. Text decoration style. Okay, okay. Yes, if I go to text decoration, the decoration solid I guess, then it will have the underline. Let's see, Control C, the decoration solid might not have the underline. I don't think the decoration solid before. Okay, underline. When you write this one. Okay, I have the underline. And then cursor, pointer, And on over I need to change the text color. Let's say which color I can use. Let's say the pastel blue. Just copy this and paste it here. Now I have to go to my instead of purple, let's see purple is blue. Yeah, I think purple is good. Okay, so that is done. We'll find the like arcade monthly, and then we need to show the price as well. Okay, okay, like I have defined the h4 and then the like what is the build type. Okay, and here we need to give some space. Now in this step, okay, I need to give one scan tag, and here okay, we need to define the price. So let's okay, so what I will do here, just delete it. Here I will do each yearly plan. If it is true, okay, okay, let's see. So here first we need to know which plan it's selected. Like I have the selected plan, and it will be a string only. Selected plan, it's a string. Okay, so with this string, okay, I will get like the name only I will have. So, but from this name, I need to know like which plan is there. Like for first that I need to like extract this object, and if I can extract that object, okay, yeah, I got it. So here I need to create so equal to get plan, okay, and get plan, or we can use all directly plan. Okay, like I will get, I will know like this plan is selected. So like plan. So here I will do plans. You can import it from where? From the constant. Okay. Okay, from constant is important of plans. So I will do plans dot find. Okay, so it will have the yes plan. So what I will do plan dot name it is equal to selected plan. Okay, so now if I console dot log that plan, let's say what I will get. Okay, so I will console it. Okay, now let's fill it again. So Stephen King at lauren.com. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now if I click on next take button, now this time I will select the yearly plan. Let's select the advanced. Next step, and let's select this larger storage only. If I click next step, now I can say advanced yearly. Okay, but if I refresh it in the plan object, I will get the plan. Okay, like discount, icon, name, and the price, everything. Okay, so like inside that plan, I will have that plan. Okay, I don't have this for maroon blue. Let's go and go to purpose. Purple first. Okay, so let it be. Here is okay. Now let's go to the plan. Where is the plan? We are defining. Yeah, inside is the yeah, I guess. Right. So here I will check if yeah, if is yearly is true. Okay. Then inside it first I will create a span tag. Why it's not giving solution for a span like this? Again, it's on anyways. Let's do it like this. Okay. So let's write content inside this span. So if is yearly plan is true, okay, now here I have got the plan. Okay, so now what I will do here, obviously first we need to put a dollar, and then inside that curly bracket I will use plan dot. Okay, so first also I need to show the yearly plan here. Okay, so I will use plan dot price dot yearly, and here by year. Okay, same thing I will need to do here also, dollar. Here I will do plan dot price dot monthly and forward slash mo. So now if I come to here, again I need to yes, let's fill it again also. So Stephen King, okay, next step, advance, yearly, next step, select a larger storage, next step. I can say I got a plan price like $120 per year. Okay, just I need to move it to the side. Okay, so I think this step. Okay, so here I can give the class name tax justify between. Okay, justify between is done, and also item center come to the middle. Then we need to give some color to this span. Just select it span and give class name as text sm. Okay, font bold. Okay, and text marine blue. Give the same color. Okay, so it's done. Now if I click on change, so I need to apply one on click event here. So I will write on click. Okay, here I will write like this, set current step, to let's go to the constant. If I click the exchange, so it should redirect on the select plan. Now here if I click on change, you can say redirect to the select plan, and from here I can select a plan. Like if I this time I will select arcade on the monthly basis. If I click on next step, again we can toggle our add-ons. Now if I click on here, now you can see the value has changed, like it's a monthly plan arcade monthly. Okay, so this thing is done. Now we need to like create a like we need to show our add-ons below to this. So let's okay do that part as well. So we can close this div. Okay, now below this div I have already created one div. Okay, mm, okay, it's done. So now here we need to show the my services. But how I will know like how many add-ons which we need. Like if we go to the constant, okay, so let's say plan section is done. Now you can see add-ons also is an array. Okay, so but we don't know like how many add-ons user has selected. So we need to handle that test scenario also. So what we can do here, we can show only those add-ons whose name is true, okay, in the selected account. Okay, so now, okay, so let's see how we can do it. So here we can create one curly bracket. So we have this selected add-on. Okay, but this selected add-on is an array, not an object. Okay, so what we can do first, let's have the import the add-ons. So we can import add-ons like this add-ons we have imported. Then now we can do the map. Okay, so here it will have the add-on. Okay, now this time instead of doing that, let's say what you can say the parenthesis, I will open a curly bracket here. Here I will write one if condition. So if, okay, like the what you can say, here I have this selected add-ons. So here I will write if selected add-ons of add-on dot name. Okay, so it will give me a true or false value. So now if this value is true, then only return, okay, this div. Okay, now and what it will show, it will show me the add-on dot name. So now if I come to my browser, okay, let's start from beginning. Stephen King. Here I will write Stephen at King at Loro. Then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 9 0. Select on as arcade and monthly basis. Next step, let's say this time I select online and larger storage. Next step, now you can say I got that online and larger storage only. Okay, now if I go back, now it is select a larger storage. Let's say only online service. Now you can see I'm getting only large online service. Now if I go back, if I select all of them, okay, if I select all of them, if I click on next step, now you can see online services is there, larger storage is there, and customizable profile is there. Right? Based on the selection, it's showing that what. Now we need to just show like this. We need to show the name and then price. Okay, based on the yearly basis or monthly basis. Okay, so let's see. Let's move on next step. Okay, I'm getting that. So here, what I need to do, like it's I'm mapping on it, and it's returning. So it will return a div. Okay, so it will have two p tag. Okay, so today the first p tag will form the add-on dot name. Okay, and second paragraph it will show me the add-on dot price, or let's say instead of name it should show the span tag. Okay, like this span. Okay, and also here should also there will be one condition. Let's put it from now. So let's write a condition like if is yearly plan, then so this span, otherwise for a different span tag. Okay, and here we can write like dollar, then like this. So here we will write add-on dot price dot yearly. Okay, if it's yearly plan, here we can write forward slash yr. Same thing here we can write dollar. Okay, here also we can write add-on dot price dot monthly forward slash mo. Okay, now we need to give some class name here. So class name flex and justify between. Okay, now it's coming down. Okay, we need to get some margin from top as 4. Okay, now let's write some class name. No, margin 4 not here. So this margin 4 should come here. Class name empty hyphen 4. Okay, so now here what I will do, let's here also it should have the margin, or instead of margin I can give it flex bar and cap as 2. Okay, this will look like this. Here only first we need to make it a small text, and the color we need to change it. So this one here I will class name as text sm. Okay, is there bold color? No. Text sm, we need to change the color name. So color, so text color will be, let's say, cool gray. Okay, let's see. Yeah, I think it's looking nice. Do the same thing for the price as well. Okay, let's go to the span here. Okay, select both of the span. Here I will have text sm. Okay, font semi bold. Now we need to change the color. So let's say which color is it? I think it's not. Let's see. We can use one by one. We can test. I don't think so. It's a marine blue. Let's test first the purplish blue. Okay. Which color is matches project? I will use. So test purplish blue. I have used it. No, it's too light. And you can see it's not a light color. Okay, so instead of purplish, let's use pastel blue. Okay, let's see. Pastel blue. No, I don't think that's also the same. Let's go with light blue. I don't think it will be. Gold gray. Okay. There's two more color like magnolia. So let's use these colors. Magnolia. No, I don't think it's the color. And then blast color. A blaster. No, a blaster is also not there. Then which color is good? Light gray. Let's try with light gray. So no, then cool gray. No, I don't think it's cool gray. Also the same. So I have used it. Light blue. I did not use it. Right. Let's use this one also instead of cool. Let's use light. No, I don't think this has blue. Only color is remaining maroon blue. Yeah, let it. No. Last time. Okay, let it be $1, $2. Okay, now Okay. So now below this, okay, also you can say above there is one HR. Okay, so what we can do for this case, you can insert it. Okay, so here I will do some class name. Let's say how it's looking. Okay, I think it's looking fine. Here only we need to give some margin. Top as 4. Yeah, I think it's looking fine. Okay, now below this, I just need to show the total price. Okay, per month or per year. Okay, yeah, it is so depend on the is it yearly or monthly. Okay, so let's do this also. So now I think where I will do this background color also. Yeah, Dev BG Mongolia. So I proposing this here. I will for the price. I will create one div. Okay, now this div also it will take two p tag. So p into 2. So first p tag will show total per month or per year. So here I will write total. So here write per, and then here I need to write some conditions. So I write is yearly plan. If it is true, then I will say per year. Then I will say per month. I will close it. So here I write total per month or per year. Okay, so now it will calculate the total price. Just say calculate total price. Now let's see how it will calculate. Okay, so I have that selected plan. Okay, so what I am doing, yeah, let's say how I am showing the selected plan. Okay, so selected, I have that selected plan that's open this view. Okay, so I'm only showing this plan. So first I need to get all the plans. What this plan is showing, where I'm using it. Plan dot name, somewhere I'm using plan dot name. Okay, it will only set the plan. Okay, here I am getting the price. Okay, so first here also I need to do something like I need to get to know if it's yearly plan or not. So here I need to if yearly plan is true, then I will use okay. Yes, I need to do the selected plan price. Selected plan price I will do, and it will be selected plan. Yeah. First it will do if each yearly plan is selected, then it will do plan dot price dot yearly. Okay, otherwise it will do the plan dot price dot monthly. Okay, like this. Okay, so in this way I will get the selected plan price. Okay, if I have the selected plan price, okay, then also I need to add the add-ons. Okay, so I will do points total add-ons price. Okay, like it will also depend on the like whether I selected a yearly plan or monthly plan. Okay, so like is equal to if it's yearly plan, then how it will calculate. Okay, let's say so it will do this like let's say selected add-ons. Okay, it will do the add-ons that reduce, I guess. Where it's here, it will do add-ons but reduce. I will apply the reduce method and it will give take two value. First is accumulator and second add-ons only, and it will do accumulator plus. Okay, if it is yearly, then it will do add-on dot price on yearly. Okay, and I will define the accumulator value as 0 here. But if it's a monthly plan, okay, then it will do like I will copy the same thing first, but here I will modify one thing. It will add only the monthly plan. Okay, so in this way I will get the selected plan as well as the total add-on plan price, and then if I need to calculate that total price only, so I will do selected plan price plus total add-on price. Okay, so in this way we'll get the total price. So I will copy this. Okay, and it will be based on the yearly or monthly. Like if it is a yearly plan, then it will in the selected plan price I will get the yearly plan plus. If it is a yearly plan, then it will add only the yearly plan. Okay, so let's see. It's yeah, here I need to show the price, so let's show it. So it will show dollar, and then inside the curly bracket I will show the total price, not TO, it's TO here, total price slash. Okay, so now I think it's ammo or why here we need to show. So here for that case also I will use, if it is yearly plan, then so YR, otherwise so ammo. Okay, let's close it. Simple. Save it. Now if I come here, let's fill it again. Okay, so Stephen King. Okay, Stephen Lauren. Okay, now let's click the next step. Now this time I'll select the yearly plan, the pro. Okay, pro plan I will select. Next step, I will select add-ons like this. So just calculate it. Okay, now you can see the pro plan is price for the yearly. The price is $150 per year. Then I have select two add-ons, like $10 plus $20, so 150 plus 10, 160 plus 20, $180. So it should show me $180, but it's showing $200. Why? It should show 150 plus 10 plus 20, it should be 180, no? But it's showing that $200. How it's showing $200? Let's say where my mistake, and why are it showing correctly, but it's not showing the total calculation correct. So let's say selected plan price. How I am showing that price above. Okay, so here I am showing that price. So it's showing like plan that price that yearly. So I hope I'm using correctly. If selected plan, so if it's yearly plan, okay, then plan that price that yearly. Okay, otherwise plan that plan price that monthly. Total add-ons price. Okay, okay. So no matter what, okay, no matter what I have selected that plans or not, it's adding the total add-ons. But that should not be the case. It should only add those add-on price who currently like to which currently I'm using it. Okay, like this. So we need to handle this case. We need to check if selected plans that add-ons that name if it's true, then only it should add. Okay, so we need to modify the reduce method. Okay, so let's modify it. So whatever I will do, I will cut it and I will create a curly bracket, and here I will write if condition. So inside the if condition we can write the same thing. Okay, like I will copy this, like, and it will say like selected add-ons, and inside bracket add-ons dot name if it's true. Okay, if it is true, uh, then only, okay, then it will do a return. Okay, and then should return that acc plus add-ons dot price dot yearly. Okay, like if this condition is false, what is the, okay, like this, they're making some mistake. It should not return the whole SSC plus. Instead of it should return like what I'm doing is once, like here under reduce method, like I am here doing first I am checking if selected plans dot add-ons or name if it is true. Like if it is selected, don't only add the value of price, okay, to the add-ons, and we can do it like this also plus equal to, okay, it will have the same selected plan price is possibly undefined. Wait, it will be possible. Okay, like if there is no plan is selected, then in that case can be possible like it will be undefined. So I need to find out that case if it is zero, then I can use the zero. Okay, if it is undefined, let's use like this. Okay, and now I need to handle the same case for else condition as well. So what I will do, I will copy this, Control C, and I will paste it here. Okay, the only change is to there, it's a monthly instead of yearly. Add the monthly plan. Okay, so here I got the total address price. Now if you come here, like on a page, you can say, you can see like I'm getting the total price as $180 per year. Okay, let's go back, and if I remove this $20, you should show $160. Now you can see I'm getting $160 per year. Okay, now if I change it to monthly basis, now let's select the monthly, and if I select advance, now if I go to, now here also we need to select add-ons. Okay, so now I select one plus $2. So now it just calculated $12 plus one, 13 plus two, $15. It's a total, so the total price is $15 per month. Okay, so now let's just design that part. Okay, so we need to just style that part. So first I will put a class name. Yes, first let's keep the margin from top, margin top as 2, I guess, or 4. Margin top as 4, so I think 4 is fine. Okay, also we need to flags. Okay, justify between. Okay, justify between. Also we need to give the same padding as I have give to the above div, like P4, P4. Okay, so it's done. Let's say to set margin top left. So let's give us 3 or 2. Yeah, I think 1 is fine. Okay, I think it's fine. Now what? I need to change the color. Okay, and make it small. So class name text sn and text full gray. I think it's looking fine. Let's change this color. So here I will take class name font bold text fireplace blue. Yeah, I think it's looking fine. And here I will press. Okay, now it's fine. I guess. Now let's go back. Select the customize the profile also. So it should 70 Okay. Now if I click on the step, it should take me to the thank you page. Okay. Everything is done. Okay, let's design the thank you page as well. Okay, so let's see how we can design. If I click on this next step, now let's say what is the next step? Step 5, it will take me. But here you can say we need to handle one case. Okay, if I'm at step 5, okay, then also and this thing will should be highlighted. Okay, and I need to show my thank you page of this. Okay, now let's see first. Okay, if I click on the next step, it's on one thank you page. So I need to create my thank you page like this. So we can close the rest of the component. So close to the right. Okay, let's open the thank you page. This page does not need any props. Okay, so, so here, okay, what I need to do here? First, I need to show some. Okay, I need to show first one image. So image. Okay, so first let's import that image. So I will import image. Import. Let's open the file structure. Value assist images. So let's icon thank you. So import thank you icon from dot slash assist slash images slash icon thank you. We have the src yes thank you icon all equal to thank you icon slash let it be. Now you can see okay. Now let's only show that thank you component. So now if I go to the app, okay, for as of now I will comment all this thing logic. Okay, but I will only show the thank you page like this. Now if I come here, it will show only the thank you so that I can design it properly. So here I will get class name as flags. Okay, now I direction will be flex call and justify will be center and items will also should be center. Now it will come here. Okay, now let's say width, it will take full width. Okay, not full width, I think it's 2 by 3. Yeah, 2 by 3. Correct. That's fine. And let's make some small size of this image. So I will class name will be w32. Let's say 32. I think w32 is looking too big. Let's make it some small. Let's instead of 32, let's say 16. I think 16 is looking good. Let's make it to some big also. So 15 say w20. And now let's create one h1 tag. Okay. Okay, now it's fine. As inside the attachment tag, I need to write thank you. So write thank you. Okay. Let's apply some class name. Class name will be font extra bold. Okay. Text to Excel and text marine color or marine blue. Okay, and I need to give some margin from top for empty icon 4. Now below this, I will need to write one, create one paragraph. So I'll create it. P tag. Okay, and here I will write the content is thank you for confirming your subscription. Thanks for confirming your subscription. Okay, thanks for confirming your subscription. We hope you have fun using our platform. Fun using our platform. If you have, if you ever need support, if you ever need support, feel free to email us at feel free to email us at okay, please please feel free to email us at feel free to email us at support@loremgaming.com. I think text color full gray. Okay, margin top also I need to give, and instead of giving the margin top to every other, okay, here I have used the flex now, so we don't need to give the like margin top to every other. Instead of it, we can give some gap as let's say 2 or 3 or 4 according to our convenience, and it will proceed with it. Now let's make it a small text. So text sm. Okay, and I don't think its alignment is center or it's center. So, text align, so text center, and I will get some px as 4. Let's see. I think it's looking fine. So okay, so I think thank you for the auto design. Okay, so it's done. Just a case if we are at the last step. Okay, and then if we click on to the next page, then the summary sections are highlighted. Okay, okay, now design that thank you page, so we can remove it. Now let's uncomment all the code logic. Now let's go to the last summary section. Here I have one on click next, and I'm on clicking on next. I'm rewriting here to the thank you page. So now let's see. every step should work fine. So Stephen King, Stephen King at login.com, 3456789 select any plan, step, select online services, next, yeah, 12 plus 1, 13. If I click on next step, let's say if I click on next step, it will take me to the time because, but you can see the only things here. Axis number 4 is not highlighted here, so we need to make it highlight. So for that case, we will go to the I think sidebar, yeah, sidebar component. Okay, so for highlighting, I think I am using some condition here, like if current step is equal to step, then it will. But this time, if you notice, my current step will have the value as what you say. Thank you. Okay. So in this case, we only need to highlight the fourth. Okay. So let's say how we can do it. Here, only saying that if current step is equal to step 4, that I need to get now. Let's say if current step is thank you, then also we need to only highlight the last. Let's see how I can implement. Current step is currently taking the thank you value. Okay. Step 1. How would I achieve that part also? Current step. Can I use or operator like if current step is equal to step or thank you. Your info, select plan, add-ons and summary. Okay, I have one idea like how I can implement it features. So here, if you can see in sidebar, I am just like loading this. First, okay, I'm just comparing it the value. But instead of comparing the value, what I want, like instead of like you can say, I'm setting the current step as thank you. Okay, So instead of saying let's set up is the current step as thank you, I will set up is summary. Okay, now let's let's try this thing. Like I have this summary and then I will write thank you. Okay, whatever the name I will give, it will take me to the thank you page. Okay, and now what I will do, I will go to my side order TSS. Here I will say like if current step is equal to the state. Instead of doing this, if I say if current step dot includes the step. Okay, now you can see I will show you like here you can see that there are all the different steps like your info, select plan. Okay, step is your info. First the step will be your info, select plan, add-ons and summary. Okay, so now if I am on your info page, okay, then obviously it will, if I check that like current step is currently like having the CO info, it's including, yeah, it will definitely say true. So it will get, I can show the like background color on it. Okay, like in this way we can handle our desired functionality. If you understood it, you can mention in the comments. Otherwise, okay, if you does not understood it, okay, like don't understand my logic, you can comment in the chat section. I will try to explain you in a more better way. Okay, now let's say, okay, now currently I need to refresh it. Okay, then only like currently I'm on step one. Let's fill this file. So Stephen King, here I'll write Stephen King at lauren.com and the phone number I'll enter 5678990. Okay, go to the next step, select any plan. Okay, let's let it be a monthly plan. Let's select the two add-ons. Now if here you can see I am on the summary page. Now if I click on next step, you can see I'm at the thank you page and this section is already highlighted also. Okay, it's not a clickable, but it's if you're seeing the design, like once I'm at the thank you page, like this section is also highlighted, so I am able to achieve that part also. Okay, so everything is done. Okay, like I have implemented like I have created a UI as provided in the design. Okay, and also I have handled the proper form validation. Like let me show you, like here on your info page, user can't proceed to the next step until he fill all the field. Okay, like this. So I have entered the form validation or proper form validation also. Okay, and I have created this like UI. So and my the like the multi-step form is also working fine. Like I'm able to navigate between steps. Like I'm able to go to the next step as well as the previous step also. Okay, so I'm able to achieve that functionality. Now let's say okay, now only one thing is remaining. Like once I'm viewing it in a small devices. Okay, let's say okay, so now let's go to the app bar. Okay, I will show you what the thing is remaining. But here I am using only for large screen should be. Instead of large, if I give MD as screen, okay, then also it will come at medium. Okay, let's say what I'm doing, what I'm trying to say. Like if I'm viewing this my web page at a mobile device, then it's not looking good. So I need to make it responsive also. Okay, so let's try to handle that case. Okay, so let's see how we can handle it. The mobile responsive is fast. So if I go to the design, let's see how our website should look in the mobile device. So in the mobile device, I need to show some background, like I need to show different, what you can say. It's a completely different design if you can see. Okay. Yeah, it's a completely different design. Okay, so what I would suggest you, like for this stream, okay, let it till the browser, like on a desktop window I have designed. Now in the next live stream video, okay, I will design the mobile responsiveness part like this. Like I will try to achieve this type of functionality, okay, for the mobile device. Okay, so I guess that's it for this video. Okay, so let's close it. Okay, so I hope you understood my point. So like I don't want to be the system to be too long. So what I will do, I will pause this live stream right now, and in the next live stream, I will try to achieve the mobile responsiveness feature also. Okay, like everything is done. Only we have to like create the mobile responsiveness design. Okay, as per given in the design which I got in from the Frontend Mentor website. Okay, so I will try to achieve that kind of design. So thank you so much guys for watching this live stream video. Okay, if you have any kind of query or opinion related to my live stream, you can mention in the comment section. Okay, I'll read all the comment very carefully and also reply all the comments. Okay, and if you are new to my live stream or my channel, feel free to subscribe it. Like, I regularly build this kind of content to you guys. And also uh, I have target to reach my first milestone as 500 subscribers. So please help me to reach there. Okay. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much. I will meet you in the next live stream video. Till then, happy coding. Okay. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.